So here you see a section of shingles next to a missing shingle that we're going to attempt to repair. As you can see, these shingles don't match up to the existing shingles, but it is the match that we got. So we're going to do our best here. Thanks. I'm going to walk you through now and show you just how many crease shingles there are on this roof. You might be able to see it a little better in real time. So I'm on the back side now, facing west, right at the eaves of the roof here. So yeah, we'll immediately see very visibly creased there, very visibly creased there. I'm gonna turn around, going down, another 1, 2, 3, very visibly creased. As we go across, right to my right, yet another, and another. We'll just keep walking through here. And we come across another extremely creased shingle. And below me, 1, 2, 3 more extremely creased shingles. That just goes on the back. It's every 3 or 4 feet. We'll walk over a little bit towards the front here, going over the ridge line. Immediately upon crossing the ridge, you see 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. There's yet another, that's 9 so far on the front. I'll walk back towards the chimney now. And we've got 2 more on this side. I'm just gonna lightly touch this. I'm not pulling on it. I'm just showing you where these extreme creases are. They easily come up. The sill has been broken. Not gonna reseal. Next video will show the attempted repair, and you can determine from there whether it's a match or not. Also gonna kind of pan up and show the garage. Same roof, same age, same shingle, same issues. If you can see by both of the turbines, we'll zoom in a little here. There is missing shingles next to both. So we've got missing on the main residence and the garage. Extreme crease on all surfaces, front and back of garage, front and back of home. We're attempting repair now. Thank you.